This is a Sunrider. It's a cross light that you could put very fancy bulbs in. It's very elegant. You can hang up in a small room and so forth. Let's unpack this. It comes with an instruction guide. Some assembly is going to be required. I will show you how easy it is to install. It's a nice touch to offer a glove. You get wire nuts, you get bolts, nuts, and thin washers, and a tightening screw, and the areas to put everything through. That's located right over here. Everything's kind of well protected, so you're going to take a knife and just cut things off. And now you're going to basically take off the nut, take off the washer. You're going to slide each one through. You're going to slide the locking washer through and the nut through. And you're going to repeat this for all the other three. The two shorts are on the side, the two longs are on the bottom, and this is what you're going to have, what it looks like. It's not 100% squared, but you get the idea of how this works, so forth. A white and a black, and all you need to do is take all the whites together as one. There are 4 of them, and you simply get all your line. You twist the 2 together. You take the other 2 together, you twist. You take these 2 together, and you take this 5th one, and you twist them all together like this in one way. And then you take the wire cap, place on, and repeat the same for the black. This is what it looks like when it's fully completed. Now we're going to go ready to go hang our bracket. This is a universal mount, and what you're going to do is the best you can with what you have, and you're going to hang this into your outlet area, which what I am doing here, and lock it down. I'm going to give you a little trick here. You're going to take your ground, you're going to wrap it around and lock it down, so this way you can hang it and be hands-free. Tuck all your leads in nice and neat. They don't include bulbs, but you get the idea of different shaped bulbs we have here, and they will fit into the unit just fine. Very easy to replace bulbs if bulbs break out. And turn the electric back on and turn the lights on. Put it on to a dimmer. You have the option to go 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% in brightness. We're going to shut the lights off so you get an idea what this fixture looks like. We have the fixture all lit up, and we could dim it down for you. We could put it on a timer. It's great for a hallway, a bathroom area, a living room area, wherever you want to put a light. These lights are great no matter where you want to put them. I hope you enjoy your light fixture cross. Very easy to build. Take your time and twist the wires together, and you got yourself an awesome looking fixture for wherever you need to hang light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.